Red and things like that, kind of wrapping up as the line continues moving east. We can expect, though, some lighter rain, a few showers this afternoon, even after that line passes out of our area. We're drying out this evening and tonight, and then the next few days do look drier, actually, even than the previous forecasts over the weekend. Models really have gotten rid of a lot of the rain over the next few days, and the weekend looks warm for second weekend of Jazz Fest. No surprise there, probably, but we do have at least rain chances toward the end of the week, which I'll show you in a second. Temperatures right now pretty cool, upper 60s to about 70. I'm not sure how much more we're going to rise this afternoon. I think we'll get to around 80, but probably not to those middle 80s we've been reaching lately. And here is our line of rain, and most of this is pretty just kind of standard showers, couple storms, maybe a bit of thunder and lightning here and there, and maybe some gusty winds toward maybe 30+ miles per hour as the line's arriving. But look at this, we're already drying out for a lot of Jefferson Parish into New Orleans, and we are seeing that north of the lake as well, although parts of Slidell, much of St. Tammany Parish near the lake, and then into Hancock County still getting some rain. Here we are with Plaquemines Parish, and farther south we do still have some rain, and in fact the lightning looks like most plentiful right along the coast south of Chauvin and Galliano, and actually there was a funnel cloud reported around Galliano earlier today just before noon, so you might see a few of those funnel clouds, although overall the severe risk is very low. I'll show you in a second. Rain totals so far up to about 3/4 of an inch. Very doable and very kind of bearable, I think, for most of us. Baton Rouge did get a bit more, 1.3 inches, but other spots under an inch. And we'll add a little bit more because of these showers that are still extending toward Lafayette. So we need to kind of finish all this out as we get through the afternoon. So we'll have the showers, maybe some sprinkles, lighter rain around through this afternoon. The severe risk today, though, much lower, and the Storm Prediction Center has, of course, been trimming it back. So now it's just the south of the lake and parts of the North Shore and into Mississippi. But we've been at that very low level 1 risk for severe storms, as thankfully that really strong storm system to our west that's sending us this rain has been weakening as it moves into South Louisiana. Hour by hour, still a chance for showers for sure. You'll want to keep an umbrella or poncho or something handy through this afternoon. And our temperatures, again, may not get toward 80 degrees. We will see, but if we keep the showers and some clouds around, we'll probably be hanging out in the lower 70s. So a cooler feel through this afternoon. Tonight, low temperatures north of Lake Pontchartrain and south in the 60s. Couple showers possible, but I think we'll be mostly dry tonight. Here's our high resolution model, and I want to show you one thing. It was doing great with timing yesterday and last night, but now it's totally off. It is way behind with the rain, but just the general trend through this evening, you can see still some showers through the afternoon. This is the evening by about 7, 8 o'clock, starting to see the rain really move on out to the east. But again, this model is lagging behind, so that may happen a bit earlier, maybe even toward 4 or 5 p.m. as opposed to 7 or 8 like it had. And then let's look ahead to tomorrow. We used to have a chance, a pretty decent chance for a few scattered showers, but now it's looking like some very slightly drier air will move in, and through the day on Tuesday, just not seeing a whole lot of rain any longer. Maybe a stray shower or two, but that's about it. Okay, the big Jazz Fest forecast for later this week. Thursday, slight rain chance, temperatures in the 80s. Friday, maybe especially later in the day toward evening or night, there is a chance for rain, so you'll want some rain gear just in case. Models now for Saturday and Sunday have us mainly dry, just kind of warm and partly cloudy and a little bit humid. So we will see if we need to put that rain chance back in the forecast. But at this point, I'm just not seeing a whole lot around for Saturday and Sunday. So that could be great for those of you heading out those days. Again, Friday, not a huge chance, but I would be prepared just in case. And Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, only a slight chance for a stray shower.